My husband found this cat on his mail route and picked it up and brought it home. Let's see if we can save him.
You okay? You're moving your head today. That's a good sign. I want to be able to get you cleaned up a little bit. Got your eyes open, don't we? Yeah, if we can get you to eat, I'll give you a bath and get you all cleaned up, okay? No, let me see your eyes. I know. Can you open your eyes? Going, so you're gonna go in here and get warmed up, and I'm going to make you a bottle, okay? It's okay. It's okay. Just stay in there. Just stay in there and get warm. Okay, I'll hold you. This is what it's like when you don't hold this cat.
Oh, it's his first purr.
This thing's enjoying this.
Oh, I bet. Yeah, it's getting cold.
No, I mean, okay, it's not drinking now, but
Took half of it or so.
it took about half of it.
I feel like that's a lot.
It hasn't ate in at least, nope, stop, 12 hours, so we got some calories in it. It drank.